Onetox represent Solomon Island people say. We people style originally from my homeland. Like my old man said, there's nothing impossible. So we have to bring this message to my brother lyrical. Straight from the crew, out to the blue. We represent the voices of my ancestors calling. And I was getting more and my culture is falling. Now we have a step up for the past 20 calling.
Once down with this stuff, ain't nobody gonna stop us. People, everybody, would you listen to us for a start? No point complaining in this we partaking. We represent the cause of the ones falling. We resemble true art when we bust the line, flip the rabbits from behind.
Previously on Delos, the crew set sail for the island of Bagale, had a raging New Year's Eve party, and swam with whale sharks.
We're seeing a tropical depression coming up the east coast of Mindanao. Center of circulation is here. We're just in here. And it's just gonna spin right over us. Later today, all of this nasty stuff is moving in. There's
How much wind is that?
35, 40. In here it's 30. Down here at the bottom it's 35. And that's sustained, so probably gusts into 40s and 50s. 72 hours. You start to get the back end of it. And it brings southerlies up. So we were going to go and anchor at this island here, Siquijor. But the bay would not be protected when the southerlies start coming in. You get 40 knot southerlies coming in. No good.
So we decided to drop our mooring at this amazing spot and run for cover to Bonbonon, the cruiser's heaven, which was a cyclone hole less than a day's sail away.
Preparing to go sailing!
Oh, come on, you bitch. Okay, Kaza! Alright, now straight!
How's it going out there?
It's a rainy one.
Oh, really?
It's doing good speed though, we're doing 8 knots.
What?
It's comfortable. It's good. We're gonna be there in maybe like 2 hours, hopefully.
Running away from the storm.
Yeah.
Good. We're constantly checking weather, especially in places like the Philippines that can be hit by tropical storms any time of the year. At sea we connect with our SSB radio to get weather over email. But here in the Philippines, there's wireless 3G just about everywhere, so it's really easy. Here, the Porto Galera Yacht Club would even send us alerts with a text message. You can usually get a few days' notice of anything nasty coming your way. It's plenty of time to run and head for cover. The rain cleared, but the conditions continued to worsen. We were seeing sustained 25 knots with gusts approaching 35. And this was just the beginning. It was supposed to get a whole lot worse. While all hell broke loose outside, we were snug and well protected in here. Bonbonon has 360-degree protection with a dog-leg entrance to block swell. It's referred to as a cyclone hole and pretty much bulletproof in all wind directions. The next day we found out the wind peaked at just over 60 knots, uprooting trees, blowing down bamboo huts, and even shutting down the inter-island ferry service. We definitely made the right call on this one, so we deserved a little celebration.
Birthday boy.
Mabuhay, Philippines. This is the expensive rum. Karen's got a couple of pickles there. Elena! Sorry, I say it in Spanish. Elena!
Hello.
Josje!
This is Helena, Karin's friend from Sweden, out for a little visit.
Come on.
You look great.
Here you go, Gabriel.
Okay. I dribbled a little bit myself.
Maybe it's better cold.
That takes away all the weird off. Yeah, give me this taste.
Is that pickle juice?
Yeah, it's really good. Oh yeah.
Yeah, make a little bit of that.
Oh, that's good. And then eat a pickle. Oh, that's good.
Get your guts beat out at some unprotected anchorage? Or take shots then go snorkeling? Weather forecasting is sweet. This celebration was a trifecta though. We dodged a storm, it just happened to be Brady's birthday, and...
We got the job!
So I was sitting here doing my morning manifestation meditation, and I was manifesting us a job. Halfway through the meditation tape, phone rings. G'day, Brady!
Oh, g'day!
Yay! We make some monies.
We're going to New Zealand! Shit, I can't believe it.
We did it. Vision boards fucking work, man.
What, did he say what day?
He's gonna email me all that. So.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's amazing, Brady.
Fucking sweet, man. Excited.
We got a delivery jobs together!
Yeah. We get to sail together and get paid.
Oh, exciting!
After 8 months and countless miles of sailing through Australia, Indonesia, and the Philippines, that dreaded time had finally come. Brady and Josje were flat broke, and their cruising kitty was bone dry for the season. Don't let the sad faces fool you. I know they were bursting with excitement. Delivering a super yacht from Borneo back to New Zealand is a pretty sweet gig. They were actually going to get paid to sail. Brady joined Delos in Mexico for a 3-week trip that somehow managed to stretch into almost 5 years, spanning half the globe. It had been a long time since Delos sailed without him. Josje joined for a weekend sail in Fiji a few years back, and sort of never left. And then these amazing people that had enriched my life in so many ways rode off with all their worldly possessions. Do good, guys. Fill up the cruising kitty and have a blast. Now it was just me and the Swedish invasion left to sail Delos and take care of the cruising chores.
So our water maker broke a while ago. So now we're down to like 400 liters or something. And yeah, we're running a bit low, or not really, but we want to fill it up before we leave. And it's a sweet well here. So Maggie has been helping us and we're fucking trying to fill it up now. It's a bit of a puzzle, but it's okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly. Slowly.
Our trusty water maker that served us so well over the years had sprung a leak and was out of commission for a while. So instead of pushing buttons and twisting knobs, we were now lugging over 600 liters of water from the well to Maggie, and then finally onto deck where we could filter it before going into our tank.
Okay?
Do it! With our tanks topped off and a good weather forecast, we were off, and finally going to check out the island of Siquijor.
Pull that in. Yeah. Okay, that's probably good, Karin.
Elena got amongst it right away. What's the first job for new crew? Grinding the electric winch, of course.
I already got him.
Maggie's a beast of a dinghy, and too heavy to just push around deck. So we devised this system using our downwind poles, our main utility halyard, and a few extra blocks to let the winches and lines do the heavy work for us. We were off on a little mission, searching for a waterfall we'd heard about. Wait a second, who the hell's this guy? That's Michael, also from Sweden, who just happened to be in the neighborhood. Warm welcome with a photo shoot? Check. Public transportation with Jesus portrait? Check. Local guides? Check. Lazio is looking like a pretty sweet place so far.
This is good.
7-Eleven Siquijor style. It turns out our new friends were headed to the falls as well. It became apparent pretty quickly that this was the local hangout. Kids in some countries go to the mall. In Siquijor, well, there's no mall. There were waterfalls just about everywhere, stretching way up the hill as far as you could see. Nope. I'm out. The next sequence contains scenes from a real cockfight. I've cut out the most gruesome parts, but if you're not into this sort of thing, maybe skip ahead about 2 minutes. Cockfights in the Philippines are a big deal. On just about every island, we saw massive fighting cocks being raised and trained. There's no doubt about it. Seeing two animals fight to the death is not for everyone. When traveling, I feel it's important to experience local culture without judgment. Okay, you get the idea. It's brutal, and they always fight to the death, which is usually pretty quick. But on the other side, while alive, the cocks are treated like prize champions, and the locals feel no different about it than you or I watching Sunday football. A few days later, we moved Delos to a small village called San Juan, on the west side of the island. Siquijor is known by Filipinos as an island full of spirits and magic. Supposedly many of the mountain villages practice various forms of faith healing, so we rented motorbikes and headed into the hills for a look. The first thing we ran across was pretty benign, really. It was a massive, extremely old banyan tree at the head of a small natural creek. The waters were reported to have healing powers, but more importantly, if you stuck your feet in the water, you'd get a free pedicure. Alright, so we got our scooters up into this small town up in the mountains on Siquijor called San Antonio, and we ran across a sign that had a faith healer, so we're gonna give it a try and see what it's all about. Yep, I was just a little nervous. There was some sort of brew bubbling away over an open fire in the kitchen, and all sorts of herbs, potions, and homemade crosses lining the walls. I was sat in the middle of the room in a burning metal container placed under my chair. I was assured this ceremony would rid my body of any resident evil spirits. I was wrapped in a dirty bedsheet and a Virgin Mary statue placed under my chair, right alongside the burning whatever it was, which really started to fill the sheet with smoke.
Do not allowed in shower today.
No shower.
No shower today.
No problem. Then I was led to what I could only imagine was her child's bed and instructed to lay down.
What kind of leaves is that?
Is Gimalina leaves.
What is it good for?
Feels like tiger balm.
Oh.
It makes it hot, yeah?
Oh, it smells like tiger balm as well.
Whoa. Service received. General cleansing of bad energy and evil spirits. Price requested? It's up to you. Just make a small donation and buy a cup of tea. Fair enough. I gave her the equivalent of a few dollars US, and she was pretty happy. I have to admit, it was a decent massage, and if it keeps the evil spirits at bay too, well then that's just money well spent. Up next, we meet some lifelong new friends. Explore the crazy city of Manila, and celebrate Easter Filipino style.
Do it, night.
What you say? That's it.
But I want to see more head turn. When you say boo, you look left. Boo.
This?
Look right.
Okay.
Boo. Boo.
Wait. Can we maybe do this on foredeck?
You need more. You need more head turns, and then buhangin is the ass swirl.
Okay, so when we go to the right, we go boo.